Bullish smooth love mixture cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 1 cent and 2 cents by 2030. Market experts accept SLP could reach $0 2025. Bearish smooth love elixir market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Smooth love elixir introduction. With regards to play to acquire games, Axie vastness gets everyone's attention. As the main NFT gaming title to cross $1 billion in deals, it is credited for putting play to acquire on the worldwide gaming map. Sky Mavis sent off the game in 2018, however it required off barely a year ago alongside the NFT blast. Axie Limitlessness was the previous summer's star convention, topping at close to a portion of 1 million everyday dynamic clients. Axie Limitlessness is an NFT-supported play-to-procure blockchain game where players gather beasts known as axies and fight them with other players' axies. It uses 2 tokens in its environment, Smooth Love Mixtures and Axie Endlessness Shards. Essentially, SLPs are acquired by playing the game. In the interim, Axe is an administration token that empowers holders to decide on key choices like game functionalities and depository finances spending. Before we assess on the off chance that SLP would be a productive interest in 2022 and the next few years, we should backtrack a bit. We'll meticulously describe the job and utility of SLP in Axie boundlessness biological system. Moreover, we will cover the variables influencing the cost of SLP and what's in store plans of Sky Mavis. What is Axie Endlessness? Axie Vastness support the play-to-procure interactivity model wherein players are compensated by just investing energy playing the game. Besides, the players completely own their in-game characters or things as NFTs. They can sell it, acquire from it, or use it for ongoing interaction. This isolates Axie Endlessness from the vast majority of the present customary close-circled games, where advanced things must be utilized in-game. It got to a place that the obstruction to section was too high on the grounds that the expense for purchasing the 3 axies expected to play the game was cosmic. In the interim, there are financial backers and business visionaries who can without much of a stretch shell out the assets expected to purchase axies yet don't have the advantage of time to play. This market hole impelled the grant and organization programs. In Axie Boundlessness, the pay ordinarily comes as Smooth Love Mixture. Players need to finish and enter journeys, field mode and experience mode to acquire SLPs. The day-to-day mission rewards used to be 50 SLP, yet during the send-off of the 20th Series season, Sky Mavis declared a significant financial change to procuring SLP. Basically, players will never again acquire SLP in everyday missions and experience mode, yet they can procure more through cutthroat PvP. SLP profit will presently be actually divided, with extra rewards just accessible in the higher serious level. Axie Boundlessness utilizes MMR or matchmaking rating. MMR is utilized to decide a player's in-game expertise level to put them against rivals of a generally equivalent ability level. A large portion of the Axie populace dwells inside the easygoing level. Basically, players saw decreased profit from every game mode. Past everyday midpoints were around 200 SLP, yet seeming to be normal will currently be more like 100-120. Also, in the 20th season, sub-800 MMR players will just procure 1 SLP per win. Smooth Love Elixir is as of now worth $0. SLP has moved 2.37% as of now with an exchanging volume of $7,554,745. Smooth Love Elixir is as of now positioned 245 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $110,335,680 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination disparity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Smooth Love Mixture to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous Smooth Love Elixir market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2023 Smooth Love Mixture, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The SLP cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $0. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive. Yet it is plausible soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. SLP is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2024 of every 2024. Smooth Love Mixture SLP cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of SLP will before long outperform $0. Notwithstanding, We ought to hold back to check whether the SLP's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, SLP will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Smooth love mixture value forecast 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0. SLP might benefit in the event that the market encounters a downfall. The objective may not be met. SLP is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2025. Smooth love mixture value expectation 2026. Assuming smooth love elixir effectively helps market feeling among digital money devotees, the SLP coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SLP will be green in 2026. The SLP is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 1 cent, with a base cost of 1 cent and a typical cost of 1 cent. Smooth love elixir value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the SLP cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 1 cent by 2027, with a base cost of 1 cent anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, SLP has a greatest value worth of 1 cent. Smooth love elixir value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 1 cent. In the event that SLP figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 1 cent. Neglecting to accumulate the help SLP needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 1 cent. Smooth love elixir value forecast 2029. While SLP is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been put at 1 cent and a yearly cost close above 1 cent in 2029. Smooth love elixir value expectation 2030. By 2030, smooth love mixture will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 2 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 2 cents, averaging out at 2 cents. Smooth love mixture value expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest SLP cost in 2031 is projected to be 2 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 2 cents. What is the smooth love elixir cost today? Today, smooth love mixture is exchanging at $0, a complete market capitalization of $110,335,680. Is smooth love elixir a wise speculation? Smooth love mixture ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is shrewd to say that SLP is